This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals, the Express course. I'm on Lesson 5, Collecting Treasure with Laurel, Puzzle 4. Sequence matters. Yes, it does. And code sequence matters. Code runs in order. The blocks you need are already in the workspace, but not connected. Order these blocks to connect the treasure and solve the puzzle. Ooh, a challenge. So everything's here, but we got to get the right order. And order matters because in code, order stuff is in is what it runs. Unless you have some more complicated stuff like functions. But code runs in order. Forward, forward, forward. 1, 2. Oh, nope. I'd run into a wall. Forward, forward, forward. And that must be a left turn. Move forward maybe and collect. I'm going to step through, which is a great debugging tool just to see. So I move forward 1, go Laurel. I move forward 2. Is that the right turn? Yep, I'm turning left. Move forward 1 more. And now, let me hit step. Ta-da! Awesome. So that's what worked for me. It's tricky trying to get in order. I'm just going to run it regularly now. Great. Let's keep going.